People often ask me, what's in your bag, Miss Universe? Well, I'm going to show you. First, I got an open pack of gummy bears. That's for real, huh? That was in there. Next, we have my chargers for how many phones? 1, 2, and the one I'm using now. 3 phones. And then a cake. Look. She said, Ghetto Express. And then I got retouch stuff. Lipsticks.
I think it's over like the elevators we take at night.
More makeup.
No, I take it back.
And then I also got some leftover confetti. I don't really remember where that's from. And this is my... what is this? Oh. This is a copy of my farewell speech. And some hoop earrings, which I never use because I'm not a fan of hoop earrings. That's it. Bag's empty. Esther has 2 phones, right, Esther? One for me and one for
Police.
Why?
When you run away.
See, she doesn't want me running away.
What is this?